Mounting episode at Mount Etna on February 20th, 2021. We modeled the changing tones, 0.7 to 3 Hz fundamental frequency, as a rise in the magma column from 172 plus or minus 25 m below the crater rim to 78 plus or minus 8 m over the course of 24 h. The infrasonic gliding disappears approximately 4 h before the onset of lava fountaining as the magma column approaches the flare of the crater and acoustic resonance is no longer supported. The featured February 20th event was just one of 52 lava fountain episodes that occurred at Mount Etna over the course of 9 months in 2021 and was the only lava fountain episode where dramatic gliding was observed as a subsequent partial collapse of the crater prevented future resonance. The results presented here demonstrate that analysis of infrasonic gliding can be used to track the position of the magma-free surface and hence may provide information on the processes taking place within the plumbing system before eruptive activity. On February 16th, 2021, a volcanic plume deposited ash and lapilli on Catania and other villages near Mount Etna. The plume reached about 10 kilometers above sea level and originated from a vent located in the area of the southeast craters, SEC, Figure 1, where strombolian explosions, lava flows, and lava fountain were also observed. The lava fountain lasted for 3 h and reached a maximum height of 1.5 kilometers. This eruptive episode, or paroxysm, was the first of a sequence of 52 lava fountain episodes that occurred in 2021. Such eruptive behavior is common at Etna's SEC1 and is reminiscent of eruptive behavior that occurs at other volcanoes, like at Kilauea's Pu'u vent in 2003.